UpHex tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use UpHex. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on UpHex, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is UpHex, it is an innovative software platform designed to streamline and automate data-intensive tasks, particularly in the realm of digital marketing and ad management, in which UpHex focuses on simplifying complex processes through intelligent algorithms and user-friendly tools. Its primary features include real-time data tracking, customizable templates, and AI-driven ad creation, making it accessible for users without extensive technical backgrounds. And also the platform supports various sectors including e-commerce and healthcare by enabling effective data analysis and campaign management. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Your Free Trial button on the top right corner, and after that just enter here your email address. Then you also need to enter or connect your payment method in here. After connecting your debit or credit card, you will now be directed on this page, in which it will show you that this is basically what the dashboard looks like of UpHex. And you will be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with here: clients, campaign login, statuses, template library, and many more. And now to proceed, just proceed by clicking My Clients button on the left side panel in order to start adding our business name in here. So from here, just simply enter the name of your business or your business client in here. So for instance, I'm going to enter here this random business name, then click the next button to proceed. And as you can see, we're currently under integration section, in which all we need to do from here is to simply choose to connect our Facebook or Google account in here. But you could also navigate this dashboard option by clicking on it. You'll be able to see here the list of your active campaigns, but you could also click this Launch New Campaign if you want to launch or create a new one. But again, you also need to choose or to link your Facebook or Google account in here. For instance, I'm going to link my Google account by clicking on it. You will be directed in here, in which it will show you that it is now currently loading or connecting your accounts in here. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. And after that, you will now be able to see here that it is now connected. So we can simply go back again on this dashboard option and start launching a new campaign. However, at this point, it is also a need, or there's an error occur upon doing it, or there's a restriction upon launching a new campaigns. But moving on under this metrics section, from here it will show you the metrics of your clients, while under this leads, it will show you the list of your leads in here. And also under this media, you can also upload a media file from your computer if you want to, such as image or video. While also under this FB audiences, it will show you all of your audience on Facebook. By navigating the settings option, you could also choose to customize your business name or your basic info. Moving on the left side panel, you can navigate these campaign logs that provide users a centralized and detailed record of all activities related to their marketing campaigns. While under this account issues, it will show you all of your issues, including on your FB page account, Google, and many more. While under this templates library, it will show you all of your templates that you can choose from with different kind of categories, such as agencies, automotive, beauty and spas, in which you will be able to see here a comprehensive collection of pre-designed advertising templates tailored for various industries, such as also health and fitness. But in those options, I'm going to choose, for example, these agencies. By clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and it will show you all of your template library to choose from with its preview, such as on Google, and also below here the Facebook templates. So this is basically what it looks like. So if you want to know more details about it, you can simply click the details button in order to see all of the information about this kind of template. For example, this one. By clicking here, it will show us all of the template details, including the platform category, the body, link description, and many more. And even the media files in here. And as you can see on the top right corner, you have here an option to import this kind of template to your account. While on the left side panel, you could also navigate these AI tools by clicking on it. From here, we have here Facebook ads rewriter that you can simply enter the headline, description, and even primary text of a specific template in here. Moving on to this Groupon rewriter, you can simply enter the Groupon URL, while under this custom campaign, you can start creating from scratch by filling out all of this required information. Now moving on to these My Templates, it will show us all of our templates in our Facebook or even using our Google account. Moving on to these categories, you could also start creating new category by clicking the button, and from here just fill out all of this required information such as the category name, an icon in here, and you could also start adding category image if you want to, but that is just only an optional at this point. And if you're not done, just click the save button to proceed. Moving on the left side panel under reporting, we have your client metrics, in which it provides agencies with detailed insights into our performance of their advertising campaigns across multiple clients. Aside from that, using these template metrics, it enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of advertising campaigns for agencies by aggregating performance data from various templates across multiple client accounts. Moving on, we also have here what they call the keyword metrics, in which it is used to optimize digital marketing strategies, particularly for agencies managing multiple ad campaigns. Now under the settings, you could also navigate this lead Gen U, in which it is a comprehensive educational initiative designed to equip users with initial and essential skills and strategies for effective online marketing in agencies' operations, in which this free course covers a broad spectrum of topics starting with foundational knowledge about agency models and progressing to advanced techniques in ad creation and optimization. Now moving on to this agency launch, it is designed to empower marketing agencies by transforming their operations into a scalable software as a service model, particularly in the realm of Facebook ad management. And as you can see, you could also purchase some of this offer with a discount on it, in which this empowerment not only enhances client satisfaction but also allows agencies to manage numerous accounts efficiently. Now moving on from here, you could also navigate this option called daily classes, in which it serves as crucial purpose in enhancing the operational efficiency and marketing acumen of agencies, in which these live expert-led sessions are designed to provide actionable insights into various aspects of agency operations. Now moving on, aside from that, we can now proceed by going to this integration section, where we can start integrating our Facebook account that we can connect, and even this Go High level in here, in which by integrating with platforms like Go High Level, UpHex allow agencies to offer a white label self-service advertising solution, enabling clients to launch their own campaigns quickly from a curated library of pre-built ads. And also, this integration simplifies workflows, minimizes setup complexities, and enhances client satisfaction by providing easy access to proven ad templates and automated optimization tools. Now moving on to this preferences option, by simply clicking on it, it will show us that we can simply click the appearance, we can make it dark mode, and even start navigating some of these options such as this custom menu link of Go High Level and any other options in here. Well, under this plan, it will show you a variety of offer to choose from, so you can simply choose any of these plans such as Starter, Growth, and Unlimited plan in here. So basically, UpHex serves as a vital purposes for clients, particularly within the realm of Facebook ad management, in which its primary goal is to empower agencies and their clients by simplifying the complexities of digital advertising, allowing for efficient scaling and personalized service. And for that, overall, that is just basically how you can use UpHex. Thank you.